The Kiro Home Cambridge has over 2,200 customer reviews and a 4.5-star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Cambridge is easy to install, looks great, and is a nice lamp. The Kiro Home Cambridge is perfect to install in a hallway, in a living room next to a couch, or in a bedroom over a nightstand. This sleek light comes in 2 different finishes and a variety of shade combinations. The brushed nickel is available with a white fabric shade. The black finish is available with an opaque beige paper shade, a golden bronze fabric shade, and a latte mocha fabric shade. The Cambridge has been designed with a sturdy and durable swing arm that allows you to position the light where you want it. This makes it perfect for getting comfy with a good book. This wall lamp can be installed onto a junction box or a flat wall if you don't have a junction box nearby. Included in your package is the necessary hardware for both installation types, and a set of color-matched decorative cord covers if you decide to power it with an outlet. The Cambridge allows for the use of 3-way bulbs up to a maximum of 150 watts. If you don't have the need for a 3-way bulb, you can also use it with standard incandescent CFL or LED bulbs. Simply turn the knob 2 clicks for on and 2 clicks for off. As always, the Cambridge is UL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space. These items will say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. This is simply a tactic to cut a corner and save a buck. However, at Kiro Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.